go around all these hosers today. I'm going to try to just take Whitney and go around that way. No. So you switched classes, Jake?
Yeah.
All right. And you were in the other class today?
Yeah.
Tomorrow? Okay. That's the same period? Okay. Shimmy, shimmy, Cocoa Puff.
What?
Oh, that's cool. They hang flags all over the street. That's cool. Let's see if we were able to get home any quicker doing this.
Wait, why did they do that?
It's an experiment. I don't know, because they're celebrating the country along Eastern. Or sometimes the county or whoever owns, like, yeah. They have a fundraiser to buy flags. What are you doing? No, are you recording me? Come on. All right, now's the time where you turn it off and then post it, because that's the end of it. And now I know that I'm being recorded. Come on. I'm not going to do anything else to entertain you.
Okay. How was your day, Dad? Hello? Did you have a good day? No.
I'm going to refrain from talking to you starting now.
Ew, did you just pick your nose?
No, I rubbed it and I itched it.
Ew. Gross. You're like trying to look away so I can't